to Violin Inspiration. Today we are going to learn the song 1,000 Years Together, and you guys have been requesting this song for a long time. So let's dive right into it. So this song starts with a low second on the A string, and also it has a low fourth finger. So not a high fourth finger like, but it is half a tone lower, so this one. And one will also be low, so it's a little bit lower than usual. And I arrange it like this so you can play it along with the actual song. And it starts with a 1, and it starts like this. I'm going to sing the notes along so you actually know at what point we are, and so you can check the notes. Heart beats fast, colors and promises, how to be brave. So this is actually quite a tricky part, how to be brave. So I'm playing E1. Then I'm going to the A4, and then I played A4 and A3 on one bow, so both an up bow. And then A1 and D3 on one bow too. 1, 3. And when you are moving, when you're playing two notes on one bow, try to divide them about evenly. So half of the note will get half of the bow, and the other note will get the other half of the bow. So you won't have one note that uses just a little bit of bow and the other note that uses a lot of bow. But the first note is a bit faster, so you can use a little bit less bow for the first note. Yeah, I just realized this right now. So use a little bit less bow with the first note. So. Okay, again. Cut, alles war falsch, jetzt fängt's an. Okay, so 1,000 Years starts on the A1, and I will sing the song along and show you the notes and tell you when there are some difficult parts. So, beats fast, and this is a low one. Be aware that this is a low one. Colors and promises. So this is a low one again, and a low one, I say low one because normally we play the one over here, but right now we play it a little bit lower than usual. And now we play how to be brave. And as you see, I'm binding all those notes together on one bow, and this is quite tricky. So it's a low E1, then an A4, and I'm bowing in the same direction, so it's all a down bow. I'm bowing towards the floor. So 1, 3, 4, 3, all on one bow, and then we bow back and we play 2, 3, 1, 3. I mean, like A1, D3. So together we will get how to be brave, and then it goes on a bit similar. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt. Does it go like doubt or doubt? I'm unsure. It could be one of the two. Let's just go with the first one. All of my doubts suddenly goes away somehow. And now we get some really long notes. 1 step. And this will be a very long note, so make sure to start all the way over here. And so you will have a lot of space for this long note. And then this is a long note too. And now we will get to the refrain of the song. This was all the verse. And then we get like, I have died every day waiting for you. So we are going on over there. So we get 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3. And they are all like bound together. So 3 notes on one bow. That is the way I think it's easiest. I have died every day part, if you play I have died every day. I'm sorry, that was a bit out of tune, but do you see that I am keeping my fingers on the string? That is really important in this part. So don't play like 3, 1, 3, and it will be much too fast to play to find the 3 again afterwards. So the trick is to keep your fingers on the string. So you will just have to change the bow to the other string. And for that you need a really good left hand position. And if you don't have a very good left hand position, you will maybe like touch the other string with one of your fingers and you will hear this. Like that. This happens if the left hand position isn't very good yet. In that case, make sure to watch some videos about the left hand position again. And make sure to really make the fingers come very much from above. So you're really playing at the tip of your fingers, like you see that I am doing. And then you don't touch other strings with your fingers. And yes, this is also possible if your fingers are a bit larger than mine. This is also possible with bigger fingers. This is a question that I often get. So we play I have died every day, waiting for you. And now it's repeating itself. Darling, don't be afraid, I have loved you for 1,000 years. So we get loved 1, you, 2, I'm sorry, 1,000 years, loved you for 1,000 years, I love you for 1,000 more. So this was the whole refrain, and now you will get back to the verse and it will go on with like da 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 da. So this was the whole song. I'm going to play it once for you again, so you will see the whole song, what it looks like all together. And please practice the separate parts, the parts that are hardest, just like get them out and practice them. Practice it all on its own until you get the part and then try to put them together again. A good way would be to first practice the first like few bars, and then if you manage the first part, just go on to the second part and then put it all together, so it won't be overwhelming for you. This is quite a challenging song, but don't make it, how do you say that? Don't be afraid to go practice it. We all have to practice these kind of songs, and you can make it happen to play this song on the violin. If you just start playing the violin and it's really, really hard, I recommend going on with an easier song. I think this song is better for people that play over half a year. So I'm going to show you the whole song once more. And now my sheet music is gone. I also put like the notes that I wrote down, I will put them in the description box. I really hope this tutorial helped you to learn the song 1,000 Years. Thank you so much for watching and see you back another time.